Hey, hope you're having a great day. My name is Ryan, and if you've followed my channel at all, you've probably heard me say I earned an entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. But it wasn't just in 9 months working like crazy every hour of the day as a student. I had a wife and kids, a full-time job, and basically did this in my free time. So in today's video, I want to break things down so that you have a clear understanding of how long this takes. How long does it take to earn a traditional degree versus using degree hacking methods? The method I use to earn my degree this quickly, I call it degree hacking. Let me throw up some notes and we'll just do some math together here. Now, a traditional college degree generally takes, like one semester takes about 4 months, okay? About 16 weeks. Some schools it's 15 weeks as a semester, some schools it's 17 weeks, but 16 weeks or 4 months is pretty normal. Now, 1 credit hour earned, and a bachelor's degree is usually about 120 credit hours. 1 credit hour earned generally takes 1 hour per week in the classroom, like of actual classroom time, plus 2 additional hours per week of study time. So about 3 hours per week for 16 weeks is what it takes out of your time, generally for an average student, to earn 1 college credit. If you total that up, that's about 48 hours of your time to earn 1 college credit. Now, obviously, 1 college credit is not even a whole class. It's just a portion of a class. A normal college class is usually 3 or 4 credits. So if we break this down per class, we're talking 144 hours to 192 hours of your time per college class. Now, an entire degree is about 40 classes. Some majors it's 41, some majors it's 42, but usually it's about 40 classes to earn your entire degree. So if you break down by the hour how long it takes you to earn an entire bachelor's degree, it's generally for an average student between 5,760 hours to 7,680 hours. You can say maybe 5,000 to 8,000 hours is normal for an average student to earn a bachelor's degree. And that's how much time you spend out of your own life to earn that bachelor's degree. Now, degree hacking, it's a little bit different. Generally, what we see is 20 hours per class is very doable. 1 class in 20 hours. I know it sounds crazy, but it's totally doable. Now, I have some students that they'll do entire college classes in like 5 hours. I have some students that it takes closer to 40 hours to finish a college class. But 20 hours per week is generally what I push students who work with me to try to achieve. 1 class per week, 20 hours. You're basically a part-time student doing a class every week. Now, if you total that up, that's 800 hours of your time for a bachelor's degree. Now, if we compare the two side by side, hours per class, a traditional college degree, you're talking 144 to 192 hours per class. Degree hacking, really fast students, maybe 5 hours per class, or a really easy class, 5 hours. On the slow end, 40 hours a class. That's in comparison insane, right? If we're comparing hours to graduation, you're talking 57 to maybe 5,500 hours to about 8,000 hours traditionally, or 500 to 1,000 hours using degree hacking. Now, of course, this is just averages. Some students traditionally take 10 years to earn a college degree. Some students with degree hacking get their degrees in 3 months and in 300 hours, okay? So this is just average, but I wanted to kind of give you an idea or an understanding of kind of what to expect. Now, I'm not actually going to teach you how to hack college in this particular video, but what I'll do is leave some links to some tutorial videos down below in the description, and you can go watch those and learn the step-by-step process for how to actually do this. But what I want to do is hopefully give you some hope, okay? You absolutely can earn your degree like 10 times faster, and You can do it online from your house in your pajamas. Degree hacking is life-changing, and if you're looking at maybe a career change, or you need a promotion, or you want to qualify for better jobs, you can do that by earning a bachelor's degree in less time and do it really, really quickly. I hope this video has helped and made your day better. If it has, just click the like button. And if you'd like to learn more about accelerating your college degree, just subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next video.